Alright, collecting that back with box number 8. Box number 9 of 20. And I will get started with this. Let's see what else I can get out of here. Here's a Dan Harden Recollection Collection autograph. See, I think it's on the wrong setting here. There we go. And that's number 46 of 146. Recollection autograph. Frank White blue parallel. Here's the Bert Belevin silver parallel. Still have yet to pull anything that's just that's sick. His Ichiro silver parallel. Nothing really like, oh wow. So all I have to say is I shall see. Here is Nomar Garcia Parra silver, and Doug anyway, bad card. Red parallel of Nomar Garcia Parra. Silver parallel of Ricky Henderson. And a Freddie Garcia jersey card. A red parallel of Juan Uribe, number 86 of 250. Sotogashi gold parallel, number 40 of 50. And here's a jersey bat combo of Jim Tomei, and that's number 94 of 105. Silver of Alan Trammell. Silver of Alfonso Soriano. About half the box to go. Gray jersey of Kaz Ishii. Bat card of Edgar Alfonso. Should have around one more hit left. Here's a Jeff Kent silver. Here's a Davy Cruz silver. Michael Barrett silver. A blue of Sammy Sosa, number 100 of 100. Nice eBay 101 there. Red of Brian Jordan, number 109 of 250. Should have one more red parallel and one more hit. And here's the red parallel of Sean Green, number 63 of 250. Silver of Brian Giles. A silver of Willie Wilson. And a bat card of Chavez. And that should be it for all the hits, numbers, and everything else. Here's a Tony Gwynn silver parallel. And the final pack will yield nothing. At least shouldn't. It does. Here's the Jeff Bagwell silver jersey, gray jersey, silver parallel. Alright, that's it for box number 9.